Welcome everybody. In this video you will learn how you can crop your window capture. So all you want to do is just, when you're gonna click window capture properties, and let's say I wanna have window my Spotify, maybe it will show here. No, it won't. Yeah, I'm just looking properties. Let's yeah, okay, calculator, it should be fine. Still can't see it, so give me a second. Where is it? Window capture. Yep, okay. And yep, okay, here we got Spotify. And let's say that I just wanna have this girl here, nothing else. So what you need to do is hold Alt Control and just move it. That's all. Just hold Alt Control and just do this. And now you have cropped window, and it's pretty epic, right? So this is how we can do it. And this is really amazing if you have a game or stream and you wanna just show a part of it. You can just play with it like this. Yep, and now you can get it back. So this is how you do it. Thank you everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. I will be really thankful for that. And also write me down below in the comments what else would you like to learn, and I will make also tutorial on it. And that was my phone, and I need to go right now. Yep. Thank you everybody again. Have a great day and see ya.